So what's in the box? You got the lower ball, the ball joint which connects to your sway bar, the ball joint which connects to your suspension or shock absorber, and you got the centerpiece. Now the centerpiece is like this, it's not fully round, so you can actually put a wrench over here and screw it on over here, and once both these ends are screwed on from top and bottom, then you can rotate this to increase or decrease the length of the link. So that allows you to increase or decrease the height of this entire mechanism, and that allows you to set the preload on the sway bar. Preload means how much spring tension would already exist in the sway bar before body starts rolling and the car starts loading it up. In my case, because this is longer, I actually don't have load, so my sway bar is unloaded beyond the recommended point. So the sway bar starts acting only after the car has rolled over to a certain degree. This should fix that. This should add the preload to my sway bar, which will allow me to return to the factory settings of load on the bar before the body starts rolling. So it will improve my front body roll. You get this piece also. This is supposed to be used for the front right side if you're using the stock shock absorber, because this acts as a spacer. But I'm not going to be using the front shocks. I'm using the Öhlins shock absorber, so I don't think I will need this spacer. Other than that, that's it. That's what this is about. The instructions are over here. A lot of English. Gotta go through it, and soon I'll be able to install these on my car. Thanks for watching.